Certain films will always be mine, certain brands will be mine. Certain films will always be mine, certain brands will be mine.
ब्रांड वॉर्स और अनुष्का के साथ चल रही कंपैरिजंस पर दीपिका ने किया ज़ूम के बूम पर एक एक्सक्लूसिव कन्फेशन।
I want to do the best brands. I want to do the best films. I want to do the best brands. I want to do the best films.
तो अनुष्का ने दिया उसका जवाब।
There is no comparison between Deepika and me.
जहां एक तरफ दीपिका ने अपने करियर के लिए पैशन की बात की,
I'm passionate about the work that I do, so obviously I want to do the best. I'm passionate about the work that I do, so obviously I want to do the best.
वहीं अनुष्का ने लगाया दीपिका पर ये इल्जाम।
I have not picked up just about any role that came my way.
Well, yes, ये है बॉलीवुड की लेटेस्ट कैट फाइट, जहां अनुष्का शर्मा आ गई हैं दीपिका पादुकोण के सामने उन्हें और उनकी पीआर मशीनरी को जवाब देने। अनुष्का का कहना है कि सडनली कोई है जो उन्हें पुल डाउन करने में लगा हुआ है और ये इशारा काफी हद तक दीपिका की ओर किया गया। एक लीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर को दिए गए इंटरव्यू में अनुष्का ने दीपिका की बात पर कुछ ऐसा जवाब दिया।
There is no comparison between Deepika and me. Nothing links us. We do different kind of films. In fact, she has done more films. I have been choosy. I have not picked up just about any role that came my way.
इतना ही नहीं, अनुष्का से जब पूछा गया कि उन्होंने दीपिका से ब्रांड्स छीने हैं अपनी मार्केट प्राइस रिड्यूस करके, तो अनुष्का ने कुछ ऐसा दिया जस्टिफिकेशन।
I don't need to do that. I have enough brands and each one of them has renewed the contract. Some of them for the third time. I don't think that's happening with other heroines. I must be doing something right.
वहीं दूसरी तरफ दीपिका ने भी बताया कि आज के टाइम में उनके लिए सभी एक्ट्रेसेस हैं कंपटीशन।
I'm not saying that. I think today everybody is competition. I think everyone who's in the industry today, because there are very few of us, and everyone is vying for a similar sort of role, or there are certain brands that maybe everybody wants to do, but eventually I think I also believe in destiny, and I think certain films are destined to be for someone. Certain films will always be mine, certain brands will be mine, and I think I can only concentrate and focus on giving it my best.
तो सुनिए अनुष्का ने इस बात पर दिया क्या जवाब।
What I offer, only I can. What others do, probably I cannot. I am working back to back with 4 top-notch directors.
इतना ही नहीं, अनुष्का ने दीपिका के फ्रेंड सर्कल पर भी कुछ ऐसा लगाया इल्जाम।
A friend of Deepika had called up to say that she is doing Ye Jawani Hai Deewani and not Anushka. My friends don't call, do they? I am Kashyap's and Hirani's choice. She is Ayan's and whosoever's. I never pull anybody down. That makes me nice, right?
इन सभी बातों से एक बात तो साफ है कि अनुष्का दीपिका से कुछ ज्यादा ही खफा हैं। आखिर तभी वो दीपिका को कुछ ऐसी एडवाइस दे रही हैं।
Stop throwing garbage at me since I don't throw garbage at you. We call ourselves cool, but we are actually not.
But Deepika, being the cool and composed person that she is, diplomatically इस पूरे सिचुएशन को टाल रही हैं।
I think competition is relative. I think I'm very competitive with myself. I think I'm very competitive about. I'm constantly trying to better myself. I'm constantly trying to improve my scale, or the kind of brands that I'm doing, or what I'm doing for my brands, or in my films. So I think for me that is competition, to constantly better myself.
अब बात जो भी हो दीपिका, अनुष्का आपसे काफी हद तक है नाराज। तो अनुष्का के ऐसे जवाब सुनकर क्या दीपिका अभी भी रहेंगी इतनी ही कूल और कंपोज्ड? Well, we'll surely keep you updated. Bureau Report, Zoom, Mumbai.